So many years I thought I'd never find you. You have come into my life and made me whole. Forever, let me wake up to see which. And every morning, let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. In my eyes, I see no one else but you. Love like our love. And yes, oh yes, I always want you near me. And I've waited for you for so long. Lady, you're beside me is where I want you to be. 'Cause my love, there's something I want you to know. You're the love of my life. You're mine. Like a rhyme with no reason and an unfinished song. There was no harmony, life meant nothing to me until you came along. And you brought out the colors. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the things life can be, shining soft in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart. Decorated my life. Yes, good evening to everyone, and we are the RNB and the RNB Band from Sta.Rosa. Another song from Kenny Rogers. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? And just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the way to a body, just got together and decided to create a dream come true. So there's pink and moon is in your hair, the gold sunlight in your eyes are blue. Get together and decided to create a dream come true. So this pink and moon is in your hair, with golden starlight in your eyes are blue. It is wrong, all the girls in town follow you all around, just like me, they long to be close to you. Day of the day, I I must face the world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, and take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I am up singing. Trouble seems to warp and disappear. You touch me with the love you bring in. I can't really lose when you're near. Even though my friends have forgotten how their promises they're not unkind, just hard to find. One look at you and I know that I could learn to live without a rest. I've found the best when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. When there's no getting over, the dreams won't come true. I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. When I was young, I'd listen to radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Such happy times, and not so long ago. And I wonder where they gone. But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every shade, every wall still shines. Every shimmering light that is starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. The songs of love that I would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt before. It's yesterday or it's the hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lights, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps to say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be loved. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a quite imperfect world, and falling off the thing, that's what I find. I know I need to be loved. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a quite imperfect world, and falling off the thing, that's what I find. We fell in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face, but lately little changes have been slowly taking place. We either take each other for everything we are, or live the life we made behind and make another start. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free. You got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend, for hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free. You're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free.
Alright, a song from Conference. Spy on me, baby, you satellite. Infrared to see me move through the night. Ain't gonna fight, shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you fight. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And you can do me too when I need you all along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. Come on, one more time. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And you can do me too when I need you all along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. Now she holds everyone. She's the kind of like to thought to take a tutor. Now she always knows her place. She's got style, she's got grace. She's so winner. Oh yeah, she's a lady. Whoa, she's a lady. Talking about that she's a lady. And the lady is mine. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train. And there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I live, and there are smelly hair of gold and leaves like cherries.
It's sweet to touch the green grass of home.
Yes, they all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's sweet
To touch the green grass of home.
Now I've been in love so many times, though I knew the score. But now you treated me so wrong, I can't take it anymore. And it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. That's what I'm singing for. In love, I'm never gonna fall to hold, that I feel such a long way from home. Yes, I know that our love is only you, but I promise it's gonna be true. Let me stay and don't you step away. Oh no, no. Baby, that you need me, say you'll never leave me. Love me tonight. Baby, now the pain is stronger. I can't wait a moment longer. Love me tonight. Something's burning inside, something that can't be denied. I can let you out of my sight, darling. Love me tonight. Love me, love me, love me, love me, baby, love me tonight. Love me tonight.
Alright, and good evening everyone. And once again, we are the RNB and the Side Street Band. Ayan, magpalakpakan naman po yung mga nandito.
Pwede po tayong pumalakpak. Ayan. Para medyo maalis ng konti yung mga dinaramdam natin ngayong gabi.
Yes.
Oo, kasi alam nyo kasi hirap ding mawalan. Di ba?
Minamahal.
And andito po kami para magbigay po ng kaunting kasiyahan para maalis natin yung mga hinanakit sa ating dibdib. Kahit isang saglit lang. Oh. Parang may kantang ganun na. Isang saglit.
Kahit isang saglit,
Oo.
meron.
At pwede po kayong mag-request kung kakayanin po. Ayan.
Yes.
At syempre, our condolences to the
Beer family.
Pag nagsasayaw, parang pagmamahal, laging nag-iwit habang nagtatagal. Ang pagsayaw, katulad ng pag-ibig natin, kailangan itong pagbutihin at ating bitbit bawat pagkat. Raise the fever, tumaas pa sa hangin natin. Sa pagsayaw ay bigla, ang pag-ibig palalasin hanggang maiba. Raise the fever, tumaas pa sa hangin natin. Isang pagsayaw ay higpitan, ang pag-ibig palalabsin hanggang maiba. Nagsasayaw, parang pagmamahal, lalong nag-iinit habang nagtatagal. Ang pagsayaw, katulad ng pag-ibig natin, kailangan itong pagbutihin at ating bitbibig bawat hakbang. Raise the fever, tumaas pa sa
a broken romance. I want to go where the people dance. I want the action. I want to leave action. I can so much forget. I want to get it. I want to get some to. Oh, 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 I love in my life. I got to get all the mystery.
Everything's God who gives you the eye, let him hold you tight. You can smile, every smile for the man who held your hand beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget he's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music's fine like sparkling wine. Go and have your fun, laugh and sing. But while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. And don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so? Can't you feel it when we touch? I will never, never let you go. I love you oh so much. You can dance, go and carry on till the night is gone and it's time to go. If he asks if you're all alone, can he walk you home? You must tell him no. 'Cause don't forget he's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. Save the last dance for me. music's fine like sparkling wine. Go and have your fun, laugh and sing. But while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. And don't forget it's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. So don't forget it's taking you home, or in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Oh baby, won't you save the last dance for me? Ooh, you make a promise that you'll save the last dance for me. Say